So, good morning everybody. Today we will try to have a brake upgrade from 288mm to 308mm. This on the Saab 9.5. On several other 9.3 models it is also working, but it's depending about the distance of the holes of the brackets. You will see the things what need to happen. We will try to make the quality as good as possible, and we would like to see you again. So if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.
So, we have the one to change. What do we start with? We remove the caps on the back, the sliders. We take, if I'm not mistaken, a 7mm. Yeah. And we undo those ones. But first of all, we will remove those brackets to have it easier to work. Just with a screwdriver, you put them out. Hoppa. Voila. After this, we untighten. So, it shouldn't be too tight. This is not a long job, it's something max 1 hour or something. You see the caliper is quite loose now. This is because of the brackets or the spring in front that is released. Okay, now the bottom part. This one is loose. The plugs look very good, honestly. So you put the brake not hanging. I have some zip ties normally, except now of course. So what are we going to do? We will replace this one. This is a E20 to remove those two screws. After this we are able to mount the new bracket. This one can be stubborn and it can be useful to have some leverage. Let's give it a try. Get this one to go. Finally, same thing here. Here we have it. Old versus new. Look same, not same. I hope so. Yeah, they are not the same. So, now, what do we do? We will remove this one because we need to mount the other disc. I think this is a 5mm. Yeah, Embus 5mm. If you're lucky, like me for once, it is nicely coming loose. So, should come loose. Quite easy. Okay. So the quiet is not one with me. I will take a little break because I need to clean up some sweat. Okay, good. We have the disc loose. So the disc itself looks quite acceptable still. Let's have a little bit of a cleanup. It's not too bad. At the bottom you have the small screw that goes back in. So if you're lucky, the brake can fit on those ones sometimes, not always. Let's check if we are lucky. Here you have the 308mm disc. Very nice disc. Nice size. You align this one here. You know this. The hole. And here you have this one. Honestly, I think I'm lucky. So, you see, the discs are free. As you can see, we are lucky. We'll give it a spin after. Yeah, that's tight enough. So what do we need to do? This is going faster than expected. Except the bolts that were too fixed in, of course. That's not something that we can change. Good, we have the bolts here at the back. You see them clearly now. Clean it up a bit. And we need to put the other bracket on. On the bolt, you put Loctite better. I won't put Loctite now. I will put Loctite later. So, I always have the problem if I use a tool. I don't know where it is. What do we need next? As we can use the original brakes, we can be very lucky. The block fell out. This wasn't meant to be. Let's put it back, because the brakes are very good of this one. Normally you change it. Yeah, let's be clear about this. Voila, this one is in. That one goes in. And put it over. And here we are. Now he's taking threads. Let's give you a little bit more distance. And me also. They don't need to be extra tight, those ones. They just used to slide. The other ones needs to be tight. And it's done with Loctite. Here you have it. There you have the brake. Nicely. What do we need to do still? This needs to come on. This looks like not good. Side in. Can be a little bit of a hustle.
Well, okay. It's back on. That's all, folks. Springs are on, brakes are on, perfect to go. And you have a 308 millimeter disc instead of a 288. I would say have a nice day and see you for the next video.